Hey guys, math. I want to show you something today that might help some of us and might not. I just want to talk about this is something we've done before. We're just going to do it a little bit differently for our subtraction things, okay? So imagine that there are 597 kiddos and they are taking an art class or they're taking a music class. So one day, there's 597 altogether, so let's write that down. 597. Of that 597, 232 go to music the first week, okay? Go to a music class. Now, here's what I want to do. I want to regroup, I want to build these numbers by their hundreds, tens, and ones place. Here's what I mean. So 597, do you agree that that's the same as 500 plus 90 plus 7? Yes? So far, so good, right? Now, what about that number 232? And I'm going to line it up right here so we can put it right underneath the other number. There are 200 plus 30 tens plus 2 ones. Okay, so far so good? Okay, now if I wanted to subtract from here, I know I've got a lot of pluses there, but if my overall goal is to subtract 232 from 597, watch what I can do. 500 minus 200 equals 300, right? 900 or 90 tens minus 30 tens equals 60 tens. And then 7 minus 2, because look, I'm still using my minus sign from over here. 7 minus 2 equals 5. Okay, now to get my answer, all I have to do is add these back together to figure out what my number is. So 300 plus 60 plus 5 is 365. So 365 took music that first week, okay? You see how that works? Kind of cool that you can do addition to help you with subtraction. Okay, I want to do another one because I think that's a little tricky. Okay? Will you do this one with me? I want you to get out your paper and pencil and do it along with me, okay? Okay, so let's try, let's see, 433 minus, in fact, will it bother you? Well, I'm going to do it up here. 433 minus 217. I don't even have a story problem. Let's just use numbers. Okay, 217. Ooh, I already see a problem, but let's not worry about the problem until we start writing it out. So 400, let me turn you a little bit so my angle is better. 400 plus 30 tens plus 3 ones. So far following me, all I did was break this number into its pieces, minus 217. So 217, there's 110, and there's 7 ones, okay? Okay, so I'm going to erase these because I don't want those to get in your way. Okay, so, okay, little bit of a problem. I cannot subtract, because look at, this is where I'm at, right? I'm going to get my other color. My overall job is to subtract 217 from 433. If I have 3 cookies and 7 friends come to my house, I cannot give everybody a cookie, right? I can't do that. So this is a problem right here. Here's how we fix that problem. We are going to go to our 10 spot and say, hey, tens, I need to borrow something from you. I don't have enough to do my subtraction over here. If I take away 110 from 30 tens, how many tens do I have left? I have 20 tens left, right? And then I can bring that 10 over here. So now if I've got 10 plus 3 more, that becomes 13, right? So 10, that becomes 13. And then suddenly I can take 7 away from 13. Let's try it. So now I've got everything in the right place. Let's just go ahead and figure out the work. 400 minus 200 equals, so far so good, 20 minus 10 equals, and now 13 minus 7. That's a tricky one, right? So put 13 in your head. 13, 12, and we'll take away 7. Where's my fingers? 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, okay? So I can check myself because 6 plus 7 equals 13. That's a good way to always do that. Now I just have to put that number back together. 200, 200s. I'm going to do a different color. 200s, 110, 6 ones. Tricky? Not so tricky? I want to see how tricky it is for you. I'm going to show you one more way to do it because some of you might be ready for it. No, I'm not. I changed my mind. I want you to do a couple of those problems over on Seesaw, and I want to see what your work is. Please show me your work. If you're doing your work on paper, take a picture of your paper and put it on Seesaw for me. Don't just answer my questions with your numbers. I want to see what your brains are thinking. Okay, does that make sense? So go do that. It won't take you too long. I'm only going to put 2 problems on there, and then after that, 2 problems, and then go play some math games on iReadyMath. Okay? All right, have a great day, guys. Bye.